Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So today's video is a very short video. Today I'm going to explain or demonstrate how to zip some bunch of folders. Um, we can do that very different way, but for now we are demonstrating only two way, which is I am using Windows operating system. So Windows provide default compressor. To do that, to compress that, just all you need to do, just click on the folder that you are going to compress, then select all the folders, then right click, then send to, then compressed. um, by clicking on this you can compress those files and put it into one file. Let's do that. Click, it will compressing. Done. Then you need to put the name, so I am giving test compress. And another way is just select the folder, same way, right click, compress. So let's do that by using a software which is 7-zip. Just search on 7-zip. Here's the link, then download. Download successful. Just click on it, install. Okay, install. Done. Then go to the file, just delete this, select all, right click and find the 7-zip. Here it is, 7-zip, and extract. No, add to archive. You can put the password and change the name. Okay, I'm changing to this, and hit OK. It will zipping all the files. Here we go. Thanks for watching.